6 tips if you're going for a whitewater rafting in CDO. Number 1, wake up early. This activity starts as early as 6 a.m. depende sa napag-usapan yung schedule, and as per our guide, mas maganda daw ang agos ng tubig sa umaga. That's why they prefer the schedules early, and mas na-enjoy ng mga turista since hindi pa masyadong tirik ang araw. Having said that, tip number 2, make sure na mag-sunblock kayo, wear a hat or any kind of skin protection kung ayaw nyong masunog ang balat nyo. Mabibilad lang naman kasi kayo sa araw for up to 4 hours depende sa napiling yung section. Kaya don't forget that. Sayang ang skincare, you know. Tip number 3, rehydrate. Yes, pwede magdala ng tubig. Since matagal kayo nasa gitna, babad sa araw, pagod at malak for sure kakasigaw. Meron naman kasing parts na kalmado ang tubig, so may chance kayo makapag-rehydrate. Number 4, huwag magdala ng maraming gamit sa raft. Because as you know, this is a water activity, so mababasa at mababasa ang mga gamit nyo. For your gadgets or wallets, pwede kayo magdala ng small waterproof travel bag. And speaking of gadgets, pwede po bang mag-take ng photo or video while rafting? The guides are actually allowing it if kaya nyo, so use at your own risk siya. And remember that they won't be liable for any loss or damage sa gadgets nyo, and at the same time, hindi to dapat maka-apekto sa pag-paddle mo because you have to follow the guide's instructions during the activity, and that's tip number 5. This kind of activity, guys, requires teamwork. The more na marunong kayong sumunod as a team, mas mataas ang chance na maging successful ang bawat rapid encounter nyo, and mataas din ang chance na hindi tumaob ang raft nyo. Kaya kapag sinabi ng guide magpaddle ka, beshi! Most importantly, makinig at sa puso ang orientation or briefing, especially if first-timer ka dahil girl, dito nakasalalay ang buhay mo, literal. Dito sinasabi ang lahat ng dapat mong malaman about rafting, dapat gawin if accidents happen, kung saan yung north, yung south, yung east, at yung west, at yung iba pang rafting terms or codes na dapat familiar ka. Kasi girl, once nasa rapid kayo at malakas ang current at nahulog ka or tumuob ang raft nyo, mag-break ka na. Kasi wala magsasalba sa'yo kundi yung faith mo, yung sarili mo at yung mga natutunan mo during orientation. And of course, huwag mo kalimutan i-enjoy ang rafting experience na ito dahil mahal ang binayad mo. Yun lang mga tea. Safe travels!